Yo, let's control a garage door with our phone with 3 parts for under $10. We're going to need an ESP32, a 5-volt relay, and a door sensor reed switch. All right, so we've got our push button right here and then COM. This goes over to the actual button on the wall. So what that does is it shorts these two. So if I were to just go, you can see it activates the garage door. And I'll do it again, stops it, and we'll put it back up. So now we got to wire up this guy. Alrighty, now we just got to get the wiring in for the reed switch. Now with everything all wired up, we just give it a test. Looks good to me.